They out here though. About to go in here, figure this shit out, see what's up in here. About to want to ride with me. Iron Skillet, I might get something to eat now. Yeah. This is spot up in here. Everything you want for a truck, they got it. Yeah, they even got this big truck. Look at this shit. That shit cool. Trailer nice. It's a nice trailer there, man. Look at that shit. Shit nice. What y'all think, man? It's a long trailer. Shit is like that. Big old Kenworth, baby. I mean, it got everything. All the bells and whistles on it. Lights on the bottom. Yeah. It's nice, man. Riding in luxury, riding in that Kenworth like that, boy, that's nice. Stack out the top of that. Right on both sides. But yeah, man. Come to out here to Kenly. Out here to this petrol station out here. Got everything you want for your trucks, bro. Everything. Toolboxes, rock guards, grills, custom grills, head 8 racks. Look at that. That's nice. Just go and check that out. Got the stats right here. Yeah. Still got everything in it. Stunning wheels. Look at them stats. All different types of stats. Different sizes. And they got a big old trophy right here too. Kenly. Best in Show sponsor. It's nice, man. Let's go up here and check this out though. The Prowler. It's nice. It's nice, man. Good old pink Peterbilt. Pink Peterbilt, man. It's nice. Got the lights and stuff done on it. Yeah. That's nice, man. Look at the headlights on it. Look at that. Kenly 95. First in class. Shit is nice. I'm in love with the headlights, though. Never seen no headlights like that before. That's nice. Pink Pete, baby. Stack out the top of that. Straight up. No curves. Straight pipes. Got the blue lights going down around the side. On the floor. It's nice, man. It's a show truck. You ain't trying to do no real work with this truck. You trying to do shows. It's nice though, man. Look at that. That's nice. Got the Pink Panther on sitting on top. Yeah, that's nice.